Hello.
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 Top of the morning to you.
Deviously, sir.
But
I'm gonna go to the end of the driveway here.
okay.
Or maybe go to the stop sign. Like the stop sign is a better idea.
Quite earlier.
Oh my god! Sorry. I don't know what it is with you, but like I just want to like do flybys.
Yeah, I know. Ah, your bike sounds so cool.
So does yours.
Bag!
Like when you're right next to me, it's kind of like echoing.
Yeah, that's
yours.
what it is.
No, no, I don't want a car wash. Thank you very much, though.
That's a good idea. We should do that. You should do that, not me.
Why do I have to do it?
Because you're the one getting gas and you get the car wash.
There's a doggy. Aww.
Oh, he wanted to chase us.
I know he did. Should we continue exploring?
Yes, let's go further down the cave. And cool bird. Back on the road again.
On the road again. Oh no!
Maniac.
It's so much fun though.
Yeah.
Sorry. I don't know why I'm being so weird. Why am I weird, Snail?
I don't know. It's because you sniffed too much gasoline when you were a kid.
Oh yeah. It's definitely it. Oh my god, that moth just tried to run me over. Just trying to run me off the freaking road, that dumb moth.
I missed a shift again. God.
You're not doing too good.
Really grinded my gears.
Literally. That.
Hello?
Bikelife!
What? What?
I said Bikelife.
Bikelife!
Bikelife!
Bikelife! If you're a weirdo. We'll go right and go around the other way because it's prettier.
Go right. You mean left?
Left. We'll go left because it's prettier. It's prettier.
It's prettier. It's super prettier.
Prettier. Watch out, there's a crazy biker.
Oh man. Oh man.
It's a nice bike with a matching suit and everything.
With his little Ducati. I think it was a Ducati. I don't know bikes. You know.
Meh. Meh.
Oh, we're turning. We're turning right.
Turning right, going across the bridge.
There's a bridge. We're on a bridge, Charlie.
We're on a bridge.
Oh, that sucks. Good luck, man. Good luck, man.
Run.
Oh, I don't know if you're gonna make it. Don't think you're gonna
Ow.
make it.
Tractor.
See? Ooh, with an American flag.
God bless America.
Why are you on the wrong side of the road?
sorry. I'm riding a Triumph, don't you know? Bikelife. Ooh. Maybe if we rev it, it'll turn green. Yeah. Whoa, you hit the limiter? I don't think I've ever hit the limiter on this. Let me try it real quick. Ooh, that sounds good. Green light! Alright! Yay! Welcome to Fzr2stun, where everyone is in the left lane when they should be in the right lane. Or out of the way, maybe. I don't know.